Today I'm going to show you the reason why not to use MDF trim board unless you're looking for a sponge. Look at this. This board was exposed to water and it just soaked it up like a big sponge. It's all cracked, swelled up, so now it's got to be replaced. Alright, today I'm going to use, to remove the trim, I'm going to use this Zenith trim puller. I'm telling you what, it makes it light work removing this trim. And I'm also going to use a razor blade to cut along the whole seam here where you can see there's caulking. So you want to go in and pre-cut this before you even start to remove the trim. That way if there's any paint or caulking, it'll be a clean removal instead of pulling off paint and then making more of a mess.